Hello and welcome back to Wild Sun Art Studio. My name is Robinsunne. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let's have a little peek at our Spacious envelope journal that we made last time. So there are 3 envelopes here, as you will remember, and I just used the flaps of the envelopes. I cut a little 1/4-inch strip and glued it of the flap and glued that onto the flap of the other envelope and made a little space between the envelopes to be the spine of the book. Ta-da! So I put mats on the envelopes, both inside and out, and I cut some border paper cuts and some regular paper cuts, and I made some paper roses, and I added some sequins because why not? And I added more sequins into a pocket with another border paper cut and made little booklets and put in a little card, medallion, stacked label medallion card. And then I cut all of these envelopes because I used the flaps of the envelopes. They're all kind of pointed in like that. And I matted over the neck of each envelope. So then that made it a closed envelope. So I took a little tiny sliver of paper off this edge and turned it into pockets. So in this first pocket, there is a postcard and a copy of one of my splatter ink pages, and I put some lines on the other side from a ledger paper for writing. And I made a journaling card with one of my wide border paper cuts and believe. And I added a 3-tab pocket. I put a tab on this pocket on each of 3 sides, folded them under and glued that. I have a flower tag and a little Nourish journaling card. And then I added a stacked label medallion on the front and added a teeny tiny little card. And a paper cut. And another pocket with a journaling card and another spray ink paper cut with lines on the back for journaling, and another postcard. And I used a piece of watercolor paper to make a pocket and put in another little book. It's upside down. With another border paper cut. And another pocket with a little front tuck and 2 cards. And this one I used a stacked label medallion as a pocket for some little journaling cards. And some cards in the last pocket. And another, these are so cool. I printed them at Staples, and their paper isn't quite cardstock, but it's way heavier than just regular office paper, and it's a little shiny, so it takes the color so beautifully. I'm having fun with those copies. And these border paper cuts really came out. I love them so well, so well. So there we are. On the back cover, there's another border paper cut. And I strengthened the spine just a little bit with some colored cardstock. So there we go. We have a book that has plenty of room for all kinds of fun stuff inside. And it doesn't alligator mouth. It sort of is, well, it does a little bit, but not very much, because the spine is there to accommodate all the goodies. Yay! Thanks for being with me in this little walkthrough. May you have enough space in your life for lots of little goodies, handmade and otherwise. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.